Hi everyone, welcome back to another new video, and in this video I will show you step by step how we can create a portfolio website using your LinkedIn account. Okay, so first of all, visit this website. It's called jobfolio.in. Okay, you will find the different themes over here, and also you will find the dashboard analytics. Okay, and it's free now. Okay, so if you want to create a portfolio website as a freelancer, so showcasing your different kind of skills. Okay, so I think this tools is really amazing. Okay guys, so I will show you step by step so how we can create the fast portfolio website. Okay, so first of all, visit this website. Okay, so and click on sign up. So first of all, you have to sign up, so use your username and your email address. Also you can use your Gmail account, so you can, so here you can see I've already logged in here. This is my free account. Okay, and it's time to create. The most important thing is that many of you just using different AI tools to creating the portfolio website, so that would be different, but it's really fantastic because using your LinkedIn profile, so you can create your portfolio website, and also you can send to your buyer. Also you can add as a bio, also you can add as a social link. Okay, so this is the LinkedIn profile, and it's converted like this kind of portfolio website. So now it's our turn to create a fantastic portfolio website. So first of all, click on build your portfolio. Okay, and in this section we have to find some themes that's called website theme or template. Okay, so choose a theme that perfectly matches your professional identity. So you can see this theme would be like this way. You can see left hand side the pictures and the right hand side, and this is the formation. Okay, so which one would you like? Let me know, and I'm going to use, I think which one is good, I don't know. So let's scroll. Okay, so this one I've already used. Okay, so this time I am just going to use the different one. So I think this one is pretty cool that we've already shown over here. Okay, so this one is also good. So I think okay, so let's try this one. Okay, it's called bento, and then copy your LinkedIn profile link and then paste it here and then click. Okay, and in this section you will, alright guys, and here you go. So this is the website and it's completely ready. How cool is that? Okay, this is the title, this is the about section, and this is the career path, like the experiences, education and skills. That's fantastic. So if you want to share, just click on share and promote, so you can share with your LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Just copy the paste. Okay, the copy and paste. Okay, also you can open a portfolio. It will open a new tab and you will see the complete new website, new portfolio website. That's fantastic and amazing. So you can copy and paste, you can send, also you can copy the link over here. So you can see the dashboard, it's also coming soon, and the analytics also you can see how many clicks, how many visitors, maybe this kind of stuff. I don't know. So it's like a beta version, I think so. They are working on it. It's an Indian website. That's fantastic and cool. They are doing amazing work and I'm really pleased. Okay guys, so if you have any queries, please comment below, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, so don't forget to subscribe. So, all right, so I will come back with new tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.